Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. If you speak Japanese, you probably can read it and tell me what it is. But I know it is DHQ, and it has vitamin C tablets, gentle antioxidant, and blood circulation support. It says it right there on there. But also it has English instructions on the side, so don't worry about it. But let's go ahead and I'll show you what this jar looks like here. It comes in a nice glass jar, very well protected here, and it says to take, I think, 1 to 3 tablets a day to help with all your circulation and all the other needs. Comes packaged interesting. It comes with the plastic instead of a lot of times it'll come with cotton, but okay. But then here are the capsules. So I'll show you what the capsules are here. This is what it looks like there. It's just a nice little, it's kind of got the, it's not coated or anything. So it's just the pure capsule. And you just take a couple of those a day. It comes with, I think, probably 60 or 90 or something. I can't tell on the package. The package here has all Japanese writing. Not sure, but it's kind of cool. It actually just going to look good on the counter. People are going to be like, "What are you taking?" Because it's all in Japanese. But very cool. And so if you do need some it says it's supposed to help with circulation and other stuff. So this is a good little supplement to have. But if you need it, this one here looks like a good one, and it comes well packaged. I like it. Thumbs up.